When you need to save time and effort deburring and finishing material, who's the expert you rely on? Let the specialists at WENT USA improve your efficiency with the right abrasive solution. Here are several non-woven solutions brought to you by the application specialists at WENT USA. WENT USA's Convolute and Unitized products are designed to deburr, blend, and finish a variety of metals. Convolute deburring wheels are ideal for deburring and removing stock from ferrous and non-ferrous materials. Stationed beside a machining center or lathe, they are an integral part of the production process. Deburring wheels are available in a wide range of formulations. Each wheel's unique composition changes the wheel's density or aggression. This allows the operator to choose the right wheel for their specific needs. Quick Change Unitized discs have a tool-free fastening system, making tool changeover a breeze. Application adjustments can be made in seconds, not minutes. Unitized material is great for edge breaking and creating a uniform finish on a wide range of metals. Its ability to conform to the workpiece while staying durable gives this tool an advantage over traditional coated and non-woven abrasives. Available in a wide range of formulations, any finish requirement can be achieved with this unique tool. WENT USA's Type 27 Unitized discs bond specially designed unitized material to a plastic backing plate. This provides strength, enabling the material to be used with right-angle grinders. Type 27 Unitized discs are perfect for edge breaking, scratch removal, blending parting lines, or producing a brilliant finish. Unitized discs are ideal for tackling difficult applications, such as blending fillet welds found around the interior and exterior of vessels or containers. Unitized pre-polishing wheels are designed to polish critical components. Its special resin formulation, combined with a fine-grained composition, is perfect when holding tight tolerances is key. When you need a dependable partner to provide you with grinding, finishing, and polishing solutions, come to the industry authorities at WENT USA. Our experienced staff of technical experts will help you solve your application frustrations. We offer regional and national field support to ensure your customers receive the documented cost savings needed to stay competitive in these demanding economic times. Discover what others have depended on since 1971, the quality, performance, and selection of WENT USA's products. Depend on us when the job gets rough. Call us today for technical support and free samples.